This is a very useful tip I'm gonna give you here, and I hope you keep it in mind and use it. Do you remember, guys, that we have done a certain animation over here? Actually, what we have done is in our clip, we have changed and keyframed the attributes or the properties within the inspector here. So this clip now is holding different kind of attributes. These are called attributes when they become specific to this clip. There is a way to copy these attributes and paste them, for example, on a destination clip. How do you do that? First of all, you can press Ctrl+C or Command+C on the Mac. Now, it's true you have copied all the clip, but within Resolve, it has also copied all the attributes from the inspector. Then you can come to a destination clip, right-click, and go to Paste Attributes. Okay? So it gives you a whole panel here about what you want to copy and how you want to copy it. First thing, there is from, to, and the name of the clips. Then there is something about the keyframes. You can maintain the timing or to stretch to fit. For now, I'm gonna go for maintain timing, which will keep the timing in between keyframes. And then you can decide on the attributes you want to copy. If you look at the attributes over here, they are exactly the same as in composite, transform, and cropping. There is no dynamic zoom, and the retime and scaling is not really an attribute here, is a setting. Or if you like, you can go precise. You say, okay, I want to copy opacity, I want to copy position, I want to copy the zoom with the X and Y scale, and that's all I want. And you press apply, as simple as this. Okay. Now, if you notice, you have the exact same attributes that have been pasted. Hence, you have the same exact animation. Okay, guys, it's pretty cool, by the way. Let's play it from here. We stop, we play again. You notice exactly the same. Now, I will undo this. Okay, I will come over here to make sure I'm undoing. I can see that these are reset. Here you are. Take back this one. And then right click and go to paste attribute. But now I want to use the stretch to fit. When you select this property, it will take in consideration the duration of the original clip and the destination clip, and will stretch the distance in between the keyframes to fit the new duration. Since the original clip is shorter than the destination clip, of course, you are going to have more time in between keyframes. That's the purpose of stretch to fit, which is very useful. And I click apply. Now you notice here, if I stretch it, the duration of the animation is much longer. So it's taking in consideration the length of this clip. And that's it, as easy as this. So it's copy, paste attribute. If you come over here, for example, and right click and say paste attribute and use stretch, is gonna work. Notice, if I play it, first of all, I'm gonna press X to put the in and out point and just play it. You notice now it's much faster, of course. Let's loop it. Here you are. So it takes in consideration the length of the clip itself. Okay, I'm gonna undo again. And this is the method to copy the major attribute in the inspector from one clip to another clip. This method also, you can use it in some other properties that we'll see later on. Thank you. I hope this was very useful, and keep it in mind.